I'm very concerned about your health due to your diet of red meat.
Irene, these are our products that I'm eating.
red meat, candy, ice cream, and
that's just what I do. That's what I do in public.
And Cokes. And I want to know what your doctor says.
My doctor says I must be heavily relying on my genes. I will tell you, I mean, Charlie and I are both very helpful. If you were in the life insurance business, you would be happy to write us at standard rates, I can assure you of that.
You know, they asked George Burns when he was 95, what does your doctor say about smoking these big black cigars? And he said, my doctor's dead.
Charlie and I played bridge with George when he was about 97, I'd say, at the Hillcrest Country Club, and there was a big sign behind him that said, no smoking by anyone under 95. And actually, at his 95th birthday party, he had about 5 very good-looking young girls that were there to greet him with a big cake and everything, and he looked them over one after another, and he said, oh, girls, he said, I'm 95. One of you is going to have to come back tomorrow. We're very big on George Burns in recent years.